Hello homeschoolers! It's the time of the year upang manood ng mga videos, magbasa ng mga vlogs at pumunta sa mga forums para maghanap ng mga reviews ng mga homeschool providers. So for today's video, we're gonna share with you our review of our homeschool provider. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kat. I'm a mom of 3 kids and we have been homeschooling for more than 10 years. So ngayon meron na lang kaming 2 anak na naka-homeschool. Okay. So itong review na ibibigay ko sa inyo ay yung homeschool provider namin from 2016 until 2024. Meron na akong previous review sa kanya na nasa blog ko. I think way back 2017 nung ginawa ko yun. So I'll just leave a link na lang sa baba para mabasa niyo rin yung previous review ko ng homeschool provider. Also, if you are looking for a homeschool provider naman for a preschooler or kinder, I have another blog naman about our homeschool provider review ng BZB's Learning Hive Inc. na naging homeschool provider ng aming bunso for pre-K and kinder years. Alright, so ang homeschool provider ng aking 3 kids ay panganay, homeschooled siya from birth until grade 6. So, ang kanyang homeschool provider ay Pinyal Integrated Christian Academy of Rizal. So, yung pangalawa, homeschool provider naman niya yun, ng Pinyal from kinder until grade 3. And our bunso is for grade 1 level. So, I'm not sure if you have watched our old video earlier this year. Aalis na kami sa DepEd system, so hindi na namin magiging homeschool provider ang Pinyal. And ano na kami, independent homeschooler. Okay, so I guess it's the best time for me to give a review of our homeschool provider na more than 8 years na provider namin. At sobrang happy naman kami with Pinyal. And ayun, so let's discuss muna. There are 2 programs for homeschooling under Pinyal, and it's the Home Education Program or the regular homeschool program and the OPTPL program or the Online Parent Teacher Led program. Okay. Para sa mga naglilito pa, ang ibig sabihin po ng homeschool, ang main educator po, ang main teacher, ang taong in charge sa edukasyon ng bata ay ang mga magulang or ang kanilang guardian. Yeah, alright? So, for homeschool ng Pinyal is only OPTPL or the HEP program. Meron rin silang regular online program, but that would fall under the online distance learning. Okay, so hindi na homeschool yun kasi teachers din ng Pinyal ang nag-handle nun. So, ayan. Our panganay was able to be under the 2 programs, the HEP and the OPTPL. The only difference between those programs is the OPTPL, meron siyang online, parang seminar or online classes na pwedeng attendan ng bata. So, it really depends on the parents. Kung gusto nilang umattend yung anak nila doon ng lessons, online lessons with the teacher of Pinyal presiding that class. Okay, pero the assignments, the quizzes, the exams of the minor subjects will still fall under the parents pa rin. Okay, ngayon kasi yung major subjects, they have to take the exams kasabay ng other students ng Pinyal for OPTPL, alright? So si HEP, yun yung parent ang main educator nga natin. So siya bahala sa lesson plan, siya bahala dun sa quizzes and then the exams, except for the major exams, pareho, whether you are under the HEP program, you are following the curriculum of Pinyal or you have your own curriculum or an open curriculum, it's still being monitored by the school. Okay, so yun. I think it will be a separate video na lang kasi medyo nakakalito explain yung dynamics ng mga programs na yan. Alright, so what are the reasons bakit kinuha namin ang Peniel as our homeschool provider. At bakit kami tumagal? From 2016 to 2024 na 8 years na ito lang yung naging homeschool provider ng mga anak ko. Okay, first of all, it is a DepEd accredited homeschool provider. As I have explained in a previous video, kapag under ka ng isang homeschool provider dito sa Pilipinas, it means naka-register yung anak mo sa DepEd system. So, meron kang transcript, meron silang document na estudyante talaga siya ng Pilipinas, okay, ng DepEd, right? So, yun ang unang-una yun na dapat titingnan nyo kung maghahanap kayo ng homeschool provider is kung DepEd accredited ba siya, meron ba siyang permit para magbigay ng homeschool accreditation. Ayan, okay. Next is, Peniel has its own brick and mortar school. So, meron siyang physical school. Okay? So, sa Cainta, meron siyang sarili niyang school at meron face-to-face classes yung mga estudyante doon. What I like about that idea is, nung time na nung una namin pumunta doon sa Cainta is, mapapalagay ka, lalo ka na first time homeschooler ka, mapapalagay ka na, meron silang school. So, mas madali. If in any case, meron akong kailangang i-clear with them, meron akong kailangan kausapin, meron akong kailangan document, mas madali yung transaction kasi meron na silang school. Okay, so meron opisina, meron na, in short, the processes that they have, the systems that they have, in place na siya. Ayan, so makikita mo na, mas madali for you as a homeschool parent na maging mapalagay. I just find it really convenient na merong brick and mortar school, yung homeschool provider namin, in case I need to go there and visit and see personally yung homeschool provider ko. Nakapag-training yung mga anak ko ng school tour, as part of their lessons sa Peniel. Ayan. So, maganda kasi meron silang school na sarili. So, makikita rin ng mga bata, kahit naka-homeschool sila, makikita nila, uy, ito pala talaga yung tsura ng a regular or a mainstream school. Ito yung classroom, ganito yung tsura niya, at ganito yung tsura ng canteen, ganito yung tsura ng THE room, ganito yung tsura ng guidance. Ayan. Our third reason is the ease of transaction. What I like about this with Peniel kasi, when we started with them, meron akong kindergarten student, tapos kapapanganak ko lang sa pangalawa naming anak. So, since wala naman kaming katulong, wala rin naman kaming kasama sa bahay para magbantay sa mga bata, hindi ko kailangan lumabas para makipag-transact sa kanila. So, once lang kami pumunta doon after a doctor's appointment, tinignan lang namin yung place. And then, everything else done online. Okay? So, nagbayad ako through bank, yung mga documents, yung mga requirements, pinadala lang sa email, pinadala through mail, courier, even the books, the IDs, the report cards, I transact with them online lang or through call, tatawagan ko sila, tatawag sila sa akin. And then ipapadala ko lang sila through the courier. So mas madali yun for me, especially for if you're a mom na wala kang time para mag-visit sa homeschool provider o wala kang time para lumabas, para makuha yung mga documents or yung mga books. You can do all those things online na. In addition to that ease of transaction, since ano nga sila may brick and mortar school sila, yung processes nila established na. So meron silang particular department na will handle the payments, to handle the guidance, the admission. So mas madali yung kung meron kang issue or meron kang question, mas alam mo kung sino yung pupuntahan mong department kasi meron na silang particular department na naka-assign doon. Aside from that, they have their homeschool coordinator per grade level. So, alam mo na kagad kung sino yung kukontakin mo kung meron kang mga questions. Another reason why we choose Peniel was si Teacher Au, yung founder and principal ng Peniel, was also a homeschooler. So, naiintindihan niya yung mga hinagpis, mga paghihirap ng mga magulang pagdating sa homeschool. And she shares her experiences, especially if you get a chance to talk to her personally pag pumunta ka sa school. I-encourage ka talaga niya on homeschooling, and she would give she would give tips to us kung paano ba na hinahandle yung mga bagay-bagay, especially pag first time homeschool mom ka, medyo magulo pa sa isip anong gagawin mo, and na-overwhelm ka. And Teacher Alice has always been there for us to encourage us, to give tips to us on how we're going to handle our homeschool journey. Kaya for that, I'm very, very thankful for her. With Peniel, they provide worksheets. Pandemic and post-pandemic, they already have their own portal. Nagkaroon na ngayon ng pagkakataon na magamit yung mga worksheets. Hindi mo gamitin yung mga worksheets na yun as your quizzes or your performance tasks. Meron sila mga suggested activities there. Even the exams, nandun na rin, provided rin ni Peniel for that. Previously kasi, naghanap ako online, or I will make my own worksheets for their quizzes. But in the recent years, provided na ni Peniel yung mga worksheets na yun. And it's up to us if we're going to use those or not. The support that is being given by Peniel, not only from Teacher Owl, the staff themselves, they send email. Before they would still call me pa before pre-pandemic. They would call me kung meron issues. For deadlines, meron silang announcements sa Facebook. And then they also encourage the families to have support groups from the different levels na ang mga homeschooling families na homeschool moms or homeschool dads ang gumawa. So it encourages the parents to empower themselves to create support groups. So, in summary, we really love Peniel as our homeschool provider. And if in any case, babalik kami sa DepEd system, we would still choose Peniel kasi happy naman kami sa kanilang support for us as homeschoolers. And tama lang yung suporta na binibigay nila. Kasi ako, I still want autonomy pagdating sa homeschool ko. But if there are some needs that I need talaga for our family, madali silang makausap, madali silang makontak for that. If you'd like to check out our homeschool provider, Peniel, leave ko na lang yung kanilang Facebook page sa baba para makapag-communicate kayo sa kanila. So, there you go. That's our review of our homeschool provider of 8 years. We're very, very thankful for Peniel as our homeschool provider for helping us throughout these years ng aming homeschool journey. And I know our time with them has come to one end. But we are very, very grateful for them. And we will still recommend them to other parents na naghahanap ng homeschool provider. So if you have any more questions about homeschooling, or if you want to talk to me, chika-chika lang, I will leave my social media accounts sa baba, or you can comment down below, and then we will try to answer them in another video. So again, thank you for watching and happy homeschooling. Bye-bye!